Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be trying the Dermalogica Stabilizing Repair Cream. This product retails for $64. I'm very excited to try out this product because it claims to be a very soothing product, and the claims are pretty bold. They are saying that it is supposed to combat sensitive skin within the first week of using it. So that will be something I'm wanting to test out because my skin has been a little bit sensitized recently, and so that is something that I'm really looking for. This seems to have some amazing ingredients in it, so I'm excited to see how it performs. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. The highlight ingredients in this product include a ceramide complex, centella, and squalene. To check out the full ingredient list, make sure you click the link in the description to go to their website. The big things that I'll be looking for with this product include: does it clog my pores or does it cause acne? How well does this product perform, and what results do I see with it? That'll be the main things I'm looking for, but as for anything else, I will be continuing to do check-in. So I will see you all in the next check-in. Hi everyone, I'm here to give you all a quick check-in on this product. I have been using this product both day and night, even though I was originally just going to use it as a nighttime moisturizer. This product has a very rich and luxurious feel to it. I also love the packaging that it comes in. I have been using it for a couple of days, and I am noticing just a little bit of texture coming up on my skin, on my forehead specifically. Not sure if that's related to this product. I am supposed to exfoliate tonight, so hopefully that will help it. This product though has a really rich texture, and it is extremely nourishing for the skin, but what I've noticed is that it's not a very suffocating moisturizer, so I feel like any skin type, if you are needing a little bit of added hydration, could use this product. I don't even take a pump of this product, I just take like half a pump, and it spreads so easily. Definitely a little bit more hydrating at first, but I've worn it throughout the daytime and it's not too heavy for my oily areas, which I really enjoy. If I continue to see repetitive breakouts or texture coming up on my skin, then I will have to stop using it, but so far I'm loving everything else about it, so I will continue to use it and then I'll check in again. So I will see you all in the next check-in. Hi everyone, I'm back to give you all my final thoughts on this product. So the texture that I was seeing on my skin during the last check-in ended up not being repetitive, and it didn't become a problem with this product. I didn't experience any repetitive zits or acne coming up during this trial, so at least in my experience, I found it was suitable for acne-prone skin. This product also did soothe the skin and seemed to calm down my redness. Now, I would recommend using this primarily at night. I feel like that's when it performed the best, but if you do have really dry or sensitized skin, you could go in with this during the daytime as well. I woke up and my skin felt so rejuvenated and so hydrated. The only thing about this product is the price point. It is such an expensive product. I feel like if you look at the ingredients of this product, because they do have some amazing ingredients in it, and that's something that you are looking for in an overnight sleeping mask, then I would recommend paying this much for it. But honestly, if you are looking for a cheaper alternative, Naturium has a marshmallow root overnight barrier balm that I felt like was really good and comparable to this product. It just obviously has different ingredients, so it's just depending on what you're looking for in a product. This product did good though. I really enjoyed it, and I could see myself repurchasing it because it really helped my skin. It really helped my skin barrier, and I also really enjoyed my experience with it. It's also a really hydrating moisturizer that didn't clog my pores or cause acne, and I do struggle to find that, and so I do feel like if you do use it only at night, it will last a long time and it will be a very long lasting moisturizer. I didn't see me going through it very quickly. It just is very expensive, and I would just use it in situational circumstances, like when my skin is really going through it or really dry. Just evaluate what you're looking for in an overnight sleeping mask and then make your decision on whether or not to purchase this, because it is a great product, but there are some cheaper alternatives out there. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week, and I will see you all in the next review.